someone or yourself, how could the world end? Well, these are 3 ways that we assume the world could end by Anna, McKenna, and Ayana. The first way the world could possibly end is through asteroid impact. An asteroid is a rocky metallic object that could range in size from a pebble to a large rock formation about 600 miles across. These impacts have disrupted human civilization, for example, the Sudbury Basin in Ontario, Canada. This is plausible due to the fact that it has occurred all over the world. Asteroids still continue to hit Earth, big and small. This occurrence can be related to the movie Thor. Even though an Asgardian god didn't fall from Earth, his hammer fell in an asteroid-like way and caused much chaos. The second way the world could end is through rogue black holes. Black holes are all over our solar system, and cannot be seen by any light, but can be seen by scientists when they are at a close distance to Earth. They orbit just like stars, so the plausibility is very likely due to the little warning. The approximate amount of them goes up to nearly 10 million. There have been many references to black holes in many shows, some like Futurama and South Park. The final scenario is flood basalt volcanism. These are volcanoes that cause many different effects when they erupt. Some scientists actually believe this is what caused the dinosaur extinction. Many volcanoes have caused mass destruction, like the Laki eruption in Iceland. Sulfurous volcano gases produce acid rains, and chlorine compounds present another threat to the ozone layer. Many references in movies have taken place in Pompeii and the movie Volcano. And that's the end by McKenna, Anna, and Ayana.